Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the earbuds or air gel on the Vista. If you need to clean this part here, all you need to do is grab this back part of here with your hand and this thumb of here. Just push it down, pull it down. See? Just slides off. Right, so let me show you another one. So here's the other one, here's the other side. So just grab this part here and with your thumb slide it out. Right, and to put it back you just do the opposite. Okay, so that's how you remove the air gel or earbuds of a Jaybird Vista headphone or earphone. Right, this is a short video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.